Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to P That Plumbing Brother. So today's job, what we have here is my customer. They had a previous contractor. They had a falling out or whatever the case is. That contractor did them wrong. What he did was he took the shower and he plumbed the shower directly into the sewer main, no P-trap. So what we're gonna do is go up under here and we're gonna fix and correct this and plumb it the right way. All right, I'm pretty much well suited up for the job. As you can see, I'm dealing with underneath this house. I have to go through here. Just to get to the crawl space, which is way over there. You guys can't see it yet, but due to the conditions that's underneath the house, there's fiberglass. It's really bad underneath that house. So I made sure I'm protected. I got the right protection. So, and I advise you guys to do the same when you're crawling under houses. Just protect yourself. You only got one life. So make sure you get a Tyvek suit with the hood. Cover your face because of critters. Cover everything up. You'll be fine. So yeah, I'm about to go up under this house and you guys will see the crawl here in a few. Just so you can get a good look of how I'm suited up. I'm all the way suited, like knee pads too. So. All right, so I'm at the spot. Let me show you what's going on. That's the shower. The shower should P-trap, but they plumbed it directly into the 3-inch main. So all the toilet gases and stuff is coming up into the house, straight into from the shower drain. I'm gonna cut this right here. It's not gonna leave me too much room, but it should work. I'm gonna cut it right here, and then I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna cap that off. I'm gonna delete this whole section, and then I'm gonna add a P-trap, and I'm gonna plumb it, reduce it, and put it right into that 1.5-inch line. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's all we can do, really. So here we go. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay. I'm back. Okay. I think I got a game plan. Alright, so let me tell you my situation. I don't have a coupling, so I can't just add to that piece of pipe that's sitting there. I can't add to it and just oh shit, that might not work either. Jesus Christ, bro. I'm gonna have to hit that again. I can't just add to the pipe. I gotta make some configuration. Oh shit, my bad. Okay, I got a game plan. I think I got this figured out. And so what I did was, on that piece that I showed you guys, I cleaned it up with my knife. So I was able to get this 45 on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these two 45s together, and then that will drop me down straight where I can add onto a P-trap. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a few. I just want to be able to clear this beam. I got to plumb into this pipe over here, so gotta make sure everything comes out right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue these two pieces together. Kind of hold it for a few seconds. The glue likes to push back. Just hold it for a few seconds so it can bond. What I want to do is get it to go straight down. That's why you put two 45s together. Transition, change directions, and come out at a different spot. All right, so you see this? So we're gonna add these together. All right, so when I hook this up, it'll be straight down, straight down. Okay. So now we're gonna put this up there. Let me show you. I think I could do it with the camera here. I'm gonna try. I got it up there. There it is. She's up there. So now we're gonna P-trap and come this direction over here. That's where we wanna go with the P-trap. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So hold on. I gotta get out of here. Claustrophobic. See y'all later.